I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Volvo XC40 battery. Begin by disconnecting the negative terminal, removing plastic trim, and ensuring the car is in park with the brake set. Use insulated tools and keep metal away from battery posts. Take photos of connector positions to avoid mistakes when reassembling. Keep replacement battery upright and secure to prevent movement. Follow manufacturer torque specs when tightening terminals for a reliable connection. Start by loosening the negative cable clamp and moving the cable away from the post to prevent accidental contact. Remove the positive cable next, then undo the hold-down clamp and any tray fasteners. Carefully lift the battery straight up, keeping it level and using both hands to avoid spills. Place the old battery on an acid-resistant surface and keep it upright until recycling. Inspect connectors for corrosion and clean, if needed, before installing the new battery. Position the new battery in the tray so terminals match the original orientation and cables reach without strain. Secure the hold-down clamp and tighten tray bolts evenly to keep the battery from shifting while driving. Reconnect the positive cable first and tighten to the recommended torque, then attach the negative cable. Start the car and check lights, infotainment, and charging system for normal operation. Dispose of the old battery at an approved recycling center or return location.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.